So welcome to this video. This will be a quick video on the Instagram promotion guidelines. And the guidelines are basically rules. They are Instagram rules so that no one can trick any person in Instagram. Because, for example, some people can do a giveaway and then it is fake, or they don't offer what exactly they said they're going to offer. So Instagram has put these rules over here in place so that these things don't happen on Instagram. And by the way, you have to make your rules clear on your post so that when a person wants to be in your giveaway, they know exactly what they're doing and they have no questions. All right, so first of all, this is a link that gives you the exact Instagram rules, and I would suggest you just take this link and write it in your Google Chrome or whatever you use. And the reason that I'm giving you this link and I'm not going into these rules is that these rules may change until you watch this video. So with this link you will see the exact rules that exist when you watch this video and not some rules that existed in the past. So yes, just click or not click, you cannot click it because it will be in the video. Just write this link in Google Chrome or whatever you use, and then go and read the rules of the time. All right, so let us go here and start with this. What to include in rules for Instagram giveaway. So I'm just going to go into it. First of all, you have to acknowledge that your Instagram contest or giveaway is not sponsored, endorsed, or administered by or associated with Instagram in any way. You have to make it clear that it is your own post and your own giveaway and has nothing to do with Instagram. By the way, because these are like rules or the laws of Instagram, if you have any word you don't understand, because sometimes some big words or something like that can appear, just go to a dictionary or in Google and check it out. So second is that you have to include the name of the company hosting the Instagram giveaway contest. All right, so we have an example right here. Here it says hosted by Yanis Andreu A, and it has to be clear that this is nothing to do with Instagram and hosted by the exact person or company. Okay, include the dates the campaign will run, including time zone, good. Include participation restrictions